In this video, I'll show you how to install VS Code on macOS. If you're using Homebrew, you can head over to brew.sh. Then, search for VS Code. Copy the install command and paste it into your terminal. That's it, you're good to go. If you prefer a manual installation, let's move to method 2. First, just Google VS Code and go to code.visualstudio.com. Right there on the homepage, click the Download for macOS button. Once it's downloaded, double-click the DMG file you just got. Now, drag the VS Code icon into the Applications folder. Just wait a moment for it to copy over, and your installation is complete. Now, you can use Command Space to open Spotlight and launch VS Code. After opening it up, you can go to the Explorer tab to add your project folders, or head down to the Extensions tab at the bottom to install tools that will speed up your coding. The extensions you need will depend on the programming languages you use. You can search around or check out other videos to find the best ones for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.